Hiya, my name is Soraya. I'm from the Food Savers Cookery Stall here in Darley Street. I'm going to show you how to make pancakes today for Shrove Tuesday. You can buy all your ingredients in the market and your utensils as well. So come along and enjoy. I'll show you how to make a great pancake. So we're going to take one free-range egg. We're going to take a cup of milk and we're going to whisk them together. Just make sure you don't get any shell in there. We're going to mix that together, so you've got a choice of different flours. If you want a fluffy pancake, you could use self-raising flour. If you want just a crepe, you could use plain flour. You're going to mix it all together and get some bubbles to appear. While you're doing that, then put a little bit of butter into your non-stick pan. Non-stick pans are great, but make sure that you've got some nice butter in there. It's nicely melted, it's going a little bit golden, and then you're going to put a scoop of your pancake mixture into your pan. Watch it start to set a little bit. Don't touch it until it starts to set and you see some bubbles appearing. Once your bubbles appear and your pancakes change colour just slightly, you might be able to just use a spatula gently and flip it over. We don't advise flipping it if it's red hot, but come along and have a little bit of fun and do that later. Then once it's nicely golden on both sides, then you can just tip it out nice and safely onto your plate. I've served it here with some frozen raspberries. I've sprinkled it with a little bit of demerara sugar and a squeeze of lemon juice. But it's your pancake. You can make it sweet or savoury. You can add lots of different fruits to it. It's yours and you can make it how you like. I hope that recipe was easy to follow. You just need one egg, a cup of milk and a cup of flour. Easy to make. If you want to learn more about Shrove Tuesday, come along to Darley Street. Also, there's a pancake race on the day, on Shrove Tuesday, and you could even win your own medal.